Hey, welcome to the um, Agile Online Summit 2022, the happiness track. Here I have Mathias Minsel. He's going to talk about how mindfulness can save your ass. So go for it. You're on.
Cool. Thanks a lot for having me here. My name is Mathias Minsel, and I'm an agile coach for quite some time. So I think it's more than 5 years now. But my way to mindfulness started a lot earlier. It was roughly 12 years ago when I stumbled upon a book where I could read about how to get out of your comfort zone. And then I thought, okay, that sounds interesting. And they recommended one silent meditation or mindfulness retreat for where you are just training mindfulness in silence for 10 days. And I thought, okay, that could be an interesting